Welcome to this tutorial, where I'll show you how to create a beautiful and decorative border pattern on the edge of your fabric using a combination of buttonhole stitch and bullion knot. I've chosen a plain cotton fabric to work with, but you can use any fabric that suits your project. I recommend matching your embroidery floss threads with your fabric or clothing for a cohesive and stylish look. To begin, I used my hoop stand to stabilize the fabric while stitching. This allows me to keep both hands free for better control, especially when working on detailed stitches like the bullion knot. We'll add the bullion knots along the buttonhole stitches to enhance the pattern. Whether you want to enhance dress bodices, sleeves, necklines, or any part of your clothing, this simple technique will add an elegant and stylish finish. You can use this for casual or formal outfits, and it's a quick way to give your garments a unique, fashionable edge. This project is very easy to follow, and it's a quick way to enhance your dress bodices, necklines, or sleeves. You can try it out on your t-shirts, skirts, or even home decor projects like pillow covers. One important thing I'll show you during the video is how to change threads when you run out. It's easy to do and won't disrupt your stitching, keeping everything neat and smooth. This decorative edge works wonderfully on home decor items like pillowcases or tablecloths, as well as accessories such as scarves and handbags. The possibilities are endless,